Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for experiences in the Airbnb application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the Explore button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then click on the Where to button at the top of the page. And again at the top of the page, click on the Experiences button. And then just type in the destination that you have in mind. Then just select the length of your trip. And then add the guests that will join to you. And then just click on the search button. And as you can see, you will find a map with all the available experiences, but you can also just scroll down and search within all the results. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.